Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So many people were complaining about the battery drain issue after the One UI 7 update. So as you know that the One UI 7 update is now rolling out on older flagship models, but many people are complaining about this battery drain issue with their device. So today I will tell you some of the tips and tricks that will help you save some battery. By the way, if you haven't already, so you can update your device to the latest One UI 7 update by simply going into the setting, then download and install. From here, you will get to see this new One UI 7 update. So this battery drain issue might be a software bug, but it will be fixed only when Samsung will release a update. But before that, you can do some battery saving tips and tricks. First of all, turn on battery protection and turn it to maximum. By this, your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%, so keep your battery in between 20 to 80% as it will increase your battery life. Next up, if you are not a heavy user of phone, like you do not do any video editing or gaming or anything like that, so you can go into the device care. From here, you have to select performance profile. From here, turn it to light. It will prioritize battery life and cooling efficiency over the processing speed, and it will increase your battery time. Now let's move on to the next battery saving tip. So for that, you will have to go into the display, and after tapping on display, you have to swipe down, and from here you have to tap on screen resolution, and you have to make sure that it is on FHD plus and not on QHD plus, as on QHD plus it will consume more battery. Next up, if you can compromise on the screen refresh rate, so go into the motion smoothness. From here, tap on standard and it will turn your screen refresh rate to 60 Hz from 120 Hz. Now the next thing that I will recommend you after updating your phone is to clear the cache. For that, simply swipe down and power off your device. Simply tap on this power button, then power off. Now keep waiting until your device is completely powered off. Now you have to long press your volume up button and the power button at once. Keep pressing both the buttons until your device is in the recovery mode, and once it is in recovery mode, you can now navigate by using up and down using your volume up down button, and to select anything, tap on this power button. From here, select this wipe cache partition, then tap on yes. It will clear all the cache of your device. Now you have to tap on reboot system now. And now your device will restart and it will clear all the cache. Another battery saving tip is that simply go into the battery and search for the apps that are using your battery most. And if there is any app that is using your battery most, so you can turn it to the background usage limits. You can keep that specific app in the sleep mode or deep sleep mode. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the tips and tricks that can help you save the battery, as these work for me, so try it on your device. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, and also let me know in the comment section that have you got this One UI 7 update on your device or not yet. And do not forget to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new latest updates.